Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Bucks RC's Garage. And if you like RC cars unboxings, how to do videos, or tips on how to paint your RC bodies, it doesn't cost you all a thing to subscribe to my channel. And it really does help me out a lot to get my videos pushed out to other YouTubers. Like the videos, comment, share them, do whatever you gotta do. And let's get right into the video. And I'm not going to try and hold y'all too long. So, as you see on the workbench today, I got my Arrma Typhon Grom. There's nothing wrong with it. I finally found me an adapter, the right one. It is a IC2 female to male XT60. And when I looked at this adapter on eBay, what it showed in the pictures that the wires was going to be twisted, but thank God it's not. And the IC2 female, it does fit. This one was kind of hard to do with one hand. I don't know if I can do this with one hand or not. Well, I can't do it with one hand. I'll just have to put the connector in there, then take a picture of it and do it like that. So now the only thing I have to do is get me a LiPo battery that has a XT60 on the end of it. Then I'll be ready to run my Typhon Grom for the second time, because when I got this in on a trade, the battery was charged somewhat, so I played with it and it was actually kind of fun. I have never had the chance to get a Arrma Typhon Grom, and I finally did, and I like it. And the Groms out there, they are the perfect vehicles, like the Arrma Grom, Arrma Mojave. What's the other one? Crap, I can't think of it. Oh, it's the Arrma Grom. I don't have one of them yet, but I don't know. I may get one. I don't know. So this is the end of the video. I thought I'd just pop on here for a minute to let y'all know that I finally got my IC2 female connector to male XT60. The only thing you have to do now is get me a battery, then it'll be ready to go. And just two more things. If anyone hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, and if you want to see more of this RC content, well, there's two things you got to do. First, you got to subscribe to the channel. Then the second thing I do is turn on the notification bell. And once you do those two things, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Then you will receive all the notifications from me when I pop a video up on YouTube. If it's pretty outside, you got something with it no matter what. If you're doing speed runs, bashing, or playing with your 1/16 small RC trucks, or your drift car, or your rock crawler, your airplane, drone, helicopter, your nitro RCs. If it's pretty outside, you just got to enjoy yourself. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. And this is the end of the video. And I'll catch y'all later on the next one. I'm back just for a second or so. I will put this in the description where I bought the IC2 female to male XT60 in case anyone who has a Arrma Typhon Grom that's looking for battery connectors